What's up, everybody? 2019 Bowman Draft Sapphire 1-box random team number 11. We are going to be randomizing here. No nationals in this product. No nationals in this product. No nationals at the bottom. It's just the Blue Jays. Let's roll the dice here just for the teams. Hard 12. Hard 12. Good luck. Teams first. $11 and $12. Detroit at the top. The Rays are at the bottom there. Boom. 12. 12. Let's randomize. All 29. Beautiful. Tony, he doesn't go down easy. Looking for the Orioles, looking for the Rangers, looking for the Tigers here. Those are your teams. If you guys need any trades, let me know. Perfect. There you guys go. Tone says he's open on some trades. If anyone wants to trade with him. The Yankees? I don't quite remember here. Give you guys a second. Give you guys a second. 1-box random team. Give you guys a second here to initiate any trades. We can take a look at the checklist while anyone is possibly doing the same thing. Check the Yankees real quick. Any trades? Any trades? Are we good to go? Yankees, you got, wow, Wes Neski for the Yanks. Forgot about that. TJ Sycamore, Estevan Florial, Schmidt, and Davey Garcia. Clark Schmidt. A lot of pitchers on that. Josh Smith as well. 2019 Bowman Draft Sapphire. Yep, that's what you're looking at. All right, good luck here. 2019 Bowman Draft Sapphire 1-box random team. Let's find our parallels here. Let's keep them till the end. Beautiful. Let's go. Best of luck, everyone. Nice hearty handful. Stott as well. Forgot about Stott for the Phils. Took crazy. Top load him. Boom. Just not a first. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Fletcher. Tolia first. Manoa. Josh Young on the first. Joe Ortiz, Matt Wallner. Oops. Card behind Matt Wallner. Evan White, Brendan Malone. All these cards are sticking. Adios. Nothing too crazy here. Espino. Yes, we can for sure run this back. There's more in the store, Brandon. I just put more in the store. More in the store. Espino, Mitchell, Joey Bartlett, CR Green. Nice CJ Abrams for the Padres. Let's go, Dizzle. Let's go, Dizzle. Take CJ on a 1-boxer. 1 box for the Pods. And Andres Jimenez. Andres Jimenez? This picture looks like it's from like 1986. Andres Jimenez on the blue. Out of 99. To the Mets. To the Mets. Really nice CJ. There you go. 28 out of 50. I forget that the green is out of 50. Even better. Not out of 99 here in 2019 Topps Chrome Sapphire. Sweet hit. Top load some cards here. Number 12 is in the store. Run this back. Let's run this back. We can continue to do a bunch of these. We're not. I don't think we're getting any more tier 1, Brandon. To be honest with you, prices have gone up on cases, and we got Topps Chrome coming up, so I don't think we are. After my discussion with Esplez last night. Here's your recap, ladies and gentlemen. Stott, Tolia, Josh Young on the base, Jimenez out of 99 here, 82 out of 99, and we had a Green Abrams for the Padres here, 28 out of 50. Cool piece for Dizzle. That was 2019 Bowman Sapphire 1 box random team number 11. Thank you.